All right, so far so good. So from here, we can click done. And lastly, we can perform the nodal analysis. All right. So here you can see the well sketch, the well schematic. And now we go straight to the calculation, IPR and VLP, inflow performance relationship and vertical lift performance under the system selection. All right. Now we need to provide the wellhead pressure or the top node pressure. I'm going to input 500 here. Water cut, keep it 0. Total gas oil ratio 800. Standard cubic feet per stock tank barrel. Vertical lift correlation, I will use petroleum experts too. Solution node will be at bottom hole. Okay, so solution node will be bottom node. Rate method, I prefer automatic geometric, right? So that I can catch, for example, if I have unstable zone, I can show that on my IPR and VLP. I can show that on my nodal analysis plot. All right, so we can disallow this one and we can use no here. Okay, click calculate, show calculating data. Done. Very easy, right? Very simple. So now as you can see with our configuration with wire wrap skin installed on the tubing, now we can achieve liquid rate of 14,858.6 stock tank barrel per day, almost 15,000 stock tank barrel per day. And now here you can see the pressure drop due to the sand control, pressure drop due to the wire wrap screen, I mean, here, 57 psi. Okay, so the pressure drop caused by the wire wrap screen is 57 psi. All right, and you can also show the plot all cases. X-axis, as usual, liquid rate, whereas for the y-axis, we will show the VLP pressure, IPR pressure, and also, of course, pressure drop due to the wire wrap screen or DP send control. Click done. All right. So as you can see, there is a change in DP send control where we increase the liquid rate. If I maximize in this section, right, press the left button, hold, and highlight this section. Yeah, you can see there is a linear trend. There is a linear increase, positive linear increase of pressure drop due to send control if we increase the liquid rate. Okay, click replot. We have the IPR, the orange line. We also have the data, the well test data, this one, these boxes. We have the VLP, the pink line, and we also have the pressure drop due to the wire wrap screen shown by this purple or pink line. All right, click finish. Now, for example, I want to do sensitivity analysis by varying the water cut. What will happen if we have higher water cut? So let's go to cases.